Welcome back. I'm Kufu Amun-Ra, your metaphysical practitioner, Reiki master, and Qigong instructor and Bond practitioner. Today's topic is alignment reset meditation technique, a journey to inner harmony. Let's begin. Are you feeling a little out of sync or weighed down by life challenges? If so, it might be the perfect moment to engage in an alignment reset meditation. Now, this powerful practice can help you reconnect with your inner self, restore your energy, and bring a sense of peace to your day. Here's a step-by-step process. Let's begin. 1. Create your sanctuary. Begin by finding a tranquil and comfortable space where you won't be interrupted. This could be a cozy corner of your room, a quiet spot in the park, or anywhere that feels calming to you. Consider dimming the lights or lighting a scented candle to enhance the atmosphere and create a serene environment. Number 2, get comfy. Settle into a comfortable position, whether sitting cross-legged or on the floor or lying down flat. Close your eyes gently and take a few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your lungs to fill with fresh air, and exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension you might be holding onto. Number 3, ground yourself. Visualize roots extending from the sole of your feet deep into the earth. Now imagine these roots anchoring you firmly to the ground, drawing up stabilizing energy from the earth itself. Feel this grounding force as it flows upwards, creating a connection that makes you feel secure and centered. Number 4, visualize alignment. Picture a radiant light glowing at the core of your being. With each deep inhale, allow this light to expand and fill your entire body, enveloping you in a warm and comforting aura of positivity. And as you exhale, visualize any negative thoughts or stress dissipating into the air, leaving you feeling lighter and more at ease. And number 5, incorporating affirmations. As you bask in this peaceful energy, begin to repeat uplifting affirmations silently or aloud. Phrases like, I am in perfect alignment with my true self, or I attract and radiate positive energy. Now, this can resonate deeply within you. Feel the strength and power of these affirmations as they reinforce your sense of well-being. Number 6, ease back to reality. After spending about 10 to 15 minutes in this meditative state, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Start by wiggling your fingers and toes and take a few more deep breaths. When you feel ready, slowly open your eyes, taking a moment to adjust to your surroundings. Take a second to appreciate the calmness and clarity you've cultivated during this meditation. Remember, this practice is always available to you whenever you feel the need for a reset or a boost of tranquility. If you're inspired to give this meditation a try, drop a comment below and share your experiences. Let's support each other on this journey to inner peace. So until next time, keep exploring, Keep questioning and keep expanding your overstanding of the world and beyond. And remember, ancient knowledge is still out there, so seek the truth. Ashe, ashe, ashe.